If you've been wondering how to download itch.io games on Windows, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process step by step so you can find a game on itch.io, download it properly, extract the files, and launch it on your Windows PC without confusion. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the itch.io website. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for the game you want to download. You can type in the game title, a genre, or even browse through popular results until you find the exact game you're looking for. When you see the game you want, click on it to open the game page. On the game page, look for the Download Now button. This is the main button you'll use to start the download process. Click Download Now, and in some cases, a pop-up may appear asking you to pay a tip or support the developer. That's completely optional. If you just want to get the game file, click No thanks, just take me to the downloads. After that, you'll be taken to the actual download options for the game. Here, click the download button to begin downloading the file to your Windows computer. Once the file finishes downloading, go to your downloads folder or wherever your browser saved it. Most itch.io games come in a compressed file, so the next step is to right-click the downloaded file and select Extract All. This will unpack the contents into a normal folder so you can access the game files properly. Choose where you want to extract the files, then click Extract and wait for the process to finish. After the extraction is complete, open the extracted folder. Inside, look for the game executable file, usually named game.exe or something similar. Double-click game.exe to launch the game on Windows. If Windows shows a security prompt, you may need to click Run Anyway or allow the app to open, depending on your system settings, and that's it. You've now downloaded an itch.io game on Windows, extracted it, and opened it successfully. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you can repeat it anytime you want to try a new indie game from itch.io. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly PC tips and gaming walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.